Hey everybody, Dennis here. Long time no see. Working on the '07 Silverado today. Actually on my last day of COVID quarantine. Get to go back to work tomorrow. Woohoo! The right front turn signals have not been working for a little while. And traced it down. It took me a while, but man, it was crazy what it was. So, long story short, I kept finding this 5 amp, this 15 amp courtesy fuse, which goes right there where that 10 amp is right now. Don't say nothing about that. It kept blowing. So, but it only blew when I turned the right turn signal on. Weird. Just weird. Did a bunch of research online and found one other complaint where someone said that they did door speakers and pinched a wire in the door. Okay, whatever. Let me go check. Back up. I just 2 months ago replaced the door lock actuator in the right front. This little guy right here. About 2 months ago. And ever since then, the courtesy lights, not ever since then, but after then, I noticed the courtesy lights were not working. No big deal, stuff happens, you know. Figured it was bad LEDs, they were going out anyway. Turns out it was that fuse, but he keeps blowing. I pinched some wires. They were caught in this bolt for the door handle right here, right there. Good job. Man, even professional mechanics make mistakes, you know, stuff happens. So long story short, 07, I think to 13 Silverado, if your right front turn signals aren't working, check that courtesy switch, or that courtesy switch fuse. If it's blown, maybe check that right front door. Y'all have a good one.